We were studying the lesson 2.2, the 7 year. We are reading page number 25. The last paragraph. A jam-packed 3 days program awaited for the children on the moon. According to the Earth calculations, on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. The 3 days of the trip were going to be part of night time on the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day was Skywatch. On the Earth, it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. So as we have studied in the first 2 pages, what is mentioned there, that the girl's mother allowed her to go to the trip on the moon, and she is traveling to the moon in the shuttle and she is observing what is there. Then they are welcomed on the moon land. The receptionist welcomed them. Then she had given some instructions to them. Then what is next? 3 days their program was there. A jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. According to the Earth calculations, on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. The 3 days of the trip were going to be part of night time on the moon. So, according to our Earth's calculation, there were 15 days. So, on the moon, there are 15 days daytime and 15 days sun time. So, daylight and 15 days night time. So, the 3 days of the trip were going to be part of the night time. So, when the students visited that time, the night time was going on and they got only 3 days of night time. One of the most important programs of the first day was, what was first day's program? Was Skywatch. What was their program? Skywatch. First day's program, Skywatch. On the Earth, it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. So from the Earth, we can't see the stars properly, but from the moon we can see the stars clearly. The most attractive view was that of the disk of the Earth. The moon sky, the Earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the Earth sky. It was also 17 times brighter. The Earth light fell on the moon. This beautiful, enchanting view made Sally and her friends ecstatic. They fell asleep, feeling happy, excited, and comfortable at the same time. So, what was the attractive view? That from the moon they can see the Earth, but how many? It was 13 times bigger than the moon. So how we can see the moon? It looks very small, but on the surface of moon, the Earth looks 13 times bigger. The second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. What was the next day's, second day's attraction? The circus on the moon. One unique feature of the circus was the seating arrangement. The spectators were made to sit in the tent and the circus was going on outside. High jumps and long jumps were the special attractions. One gymnast jumped 27 meters high. What was second day's attraction? The attraction was circus on the moon. And one unique feature of circus was the seating arrangement. The spectators were made to sit in the tent and the circus was going on outside. High jumps and long jumps were the special attractions. As you know, the gravitational force of the Earth and moon, it is different. So because of this gravitational force, the jump goes high. On the both days, Besides the main attractions, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements there. It was expected that the students should spend some time for self-study. The teacher had assigned them the task of writing an essay on how they spent their time on the moon, which places they visited, what they observed, etc. Saile and her friends had traveled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. So what was both the days? Beside main attractions, first attraction, first day sky watch, second day circus. Then beside these attractions, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements there. So stalls were also there. So that time was reserved for them to purchase something. It was expected that the students should spend some time for self-study. There was time also for self-study. Within that period, what will they do? The teacher had assigned them the task of writing an essay on how they spent their time on the moon. What was their study? They have to write how they spent their time on the moon. So what will they mention? The which places they visited, what they observed, etc. Saili and her friends had travelled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. So their friends, they have observed so many things and they have enjoyed lot of. On the third day, their teacher took them to a place of historical importance. What was third day's attraction? They are going to visit historical places. 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. Everyone was looking forward to this visit to the historical monument. So what was before 100 years, what was happened? Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. So which was their historical place? Where Neil Armstrong landed his place. It was the oldest place in the history of man on the moon. The first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land. Beside the footprint was the grand statue of Armstrong. At the base of the statue were carved the first words uttered by a human on the moon: one small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. So what was there? His first footprint, it was preserved, and his statue was also there. And what was written down of that? One small step for man, one giant leap of mankind. It was carved near the statue of Neil Armstrong. Come on, page number 27. The next attraction for the children was that they were going to wear the space suits for the first time. Then they were going to roam outside, experience the gravitational force of the moon. So next, what was next attraction for the children was that they are going to wear the space suit, which is only used in space. For the first time, they were going to roam outside, experience the gravitational force of the moon. So they are going to experience the gravitational force. Be careful when you walk, dear children. Don't run or sprint, you will fall. The teacher was warning repeatedly. But who was in the mood to listen? They hopped, jumped and ran around. So what the teachers are giving instructions: be careful, dear children, don't run or sprint, you will fall. But no one was in mood to listen the teacher. Buy ornaments specially made from the stones on the moon, very cheap, cheaper than those available in the shops in the settlement, cheaper and better. At least have a look, the roadside shopkeepers screamed at the top of their voice. So as you know, when you go somewhere else, the hawkers, they are calling you, they are giving you very interesting, attractive calls to come to their shop. That same way, that shopkeeper is calling, buy ornaments specially made from the stones on the moon, very cheap, cheaper than those available in the shops in the settlements. What is saying? So those come and purchase ornaments. These are made from the stones which are available on the moon. The roadside shopkeepers scream at the top of their voice, buy sister, buy, I am selling these earrings really cheap. Saying this, he approached Siley and displayed the sets of shining stones earrings. So one of the shopkeeper, he called Siley, come here and purchase this. It is very cheaper earrings, and he asked her to purchase it. Siley suddenly remembered her mother. Tomorrow they were to start on their return journey. She had completely forgotten her mother in the last 3 days. She felt terribly guilty. So when that shopkeeper called her, she remembered her mother. Within 3 days, she had forgotten her mother totally. So she reminded that I shall purchase earrings for my mother. Buy this, sister. Don't think much. Cheaper and better. Take it. Now the shopkeeper is giving advertisement and he is making to purchase her. Siley looked around. The other children had proceeded ahead. Come on, give me those red earrings, quick. Siley pointed at them and asked, what's the price? Only 1,000 rupees, replied the salesman. So immediately she said, give me, pack up these red earrings and give me. So she asked for what is the price? Only 1,000 rupees. So 1,000 rupees, she purchased that earrings. Siley immediately paid the amount, took the earrings and ran to catch up her friends. As her friends were leaving her, she was behind because she was purchasing the earrings. So she catch up with her friends. Now see the last paragraph. On returning home, Siley told her mother very enthusiastically, Mummy, look what I have brought for you. Her mother picked up the earrings. She exclaimed, hello dear, how I am going to wear such heavy earrings? Siley immediately realized her mistake. Siley had purchased the earrings in the field of moon's gravity. So what was her mistake? Her mother told, these are too much heavy, how can I wear it? So why this happened, this mistake happened? Because she has purchased these earrings from the surface of the moon. So they are heavier here. Siley immediately realized her mistake. Siley had purchased the earrings in the field of the moon's gravity. So what was her mistake? She had purchased on the surface of the moon. Now see, come on page number 26. We shall discuss these questions and your homework is you will write this question. What was special about Skywatch on the moon? First of all, your homework is you will read the lesson. Then write question and answer. From page number 26 and 27. So to this side and this side, some questions are mentioned over there. You will read the lesson and write down the answers of this question.